Today we'll be doing a restoration project on this tile. We're going to be deep cleaning these tile floors, sawing out some grout so that we can replace some damaged tiles, resetting those tiles, re-grouting, and then color sealing everything a beautiful haystack color. We want to give it a color close to the colors that are already in the tile so it gives the floor a more seamless blend. You can see all the grout's been removed around this tile that I'm fixing to remove from the floor. Now even after this tile is removed, there's still going to be a bunch of thin set on the subfloor. We're going to have to chip all that thin set up in preparation for resetting the new tiles. Here you can see him chipping away the last of the thin set, making sure that we have a nice smooth surface to reset those new tiles on. The next thing we'll be doing is cutting one of the tiles. One of the tiles will need to be cut in a special way so that it fits in around the toe kick in the kitchen area. So here we're using a diamond blade on an angle grinder so that we can cut the correct shape out of the tile before being set. So let's go ahead. After this, we're going to go ahead and set the tiles, grout everything in, color seal all the grout, and then we'll let you look at how the project came out.